Yes. Yes. Birds in my house. Unbelievable. That'll teach me to order pizza. Yep. I ordered a Papa John's pizza. I left the light on for him. And sure enough, this bird flies in my house as soon as the pizza lady gets here. I want to eat pizza tonight, not pigeon. Okay, and this guy's all like, well, shoot it. Get your shotgun. That'll kill that bird. It's like, I'm not shooting a shotgun inside my house. Really? There he is. What's that say? John Triple H. John Cena. So he's a wrestling fan. Okay, so what do I do? How do I get this bird out of my freaking house? I can't catch him, he's too fast. I'm not just going to leave the door open all night. Who knows how many more birds will fly in here? Besides, it's freaking cold out. Stupid bird. Don't teach me to leave the light on. What if he'll drop dead like those birds in Texas? Who knows? Stupid crazy bird.